Welcome to Low Key PD. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the different kinds of breaks into a Google Doc. So there are three types of breaks that you can add. So let's say I've got an outline of a Google Doc. I've got headers and whatnot. The standard break, which you're probably most familiar with, it would just be a page break. If you go to Insert a break, Page Break, right? And what that does is that will force whatever new content comes after that to appear on the next page. All right, so that's a page break. If I undo that, I have a couple more options. You can create a break in a column break in a table, but I'm not using a table here. A section break will create a break before the next section, and if I choose the option to have that on the next page, it will force it to be on the next page, like so. Or if I choose the last one, section break continuous, it will create a space, but it will not force the new content after that or new sections to appear on the next page. It'll just appear after a somewhat significant space. It appears to be about 2 hard returns or carriage returns underneath the first one, so you can create a nice continuous flow to the sections, but with a visual indication that a large chunk of the document is concluded and a new one is beginning. And that is how you can add the different kinds of breaks into your Google Docs.